Another recipe is sesame mayonnaise. So a very simple recipe altogether, sesame oil. So we'll be adding sesame oil here. To this I'll be adding Hellmann's mayonnaise, or as I mentioned, you can use Kewpie, whatever you like, personal choices. So we're using Hellmann mayonnaise out here. And this has a tomato base, so I'll be using some ketchup, normal tomato ketchup. And we'll be using some black or white sesame seeds, whatever you have around you. So black is authentically used, but right now I don't have black, so I'm just adding some white, or you can always do some mix of it. So this is how you can just make immediately. Give it a nice mix. The sesame is going to give a very, very nice aroma from this one. And this is your another sauce, which is your sesame mayonnaise sauce, which is already ready. Also, we'll be showing you one of the keto recipes where you can use cashew nuts as your main ingredient instead of mayonnaise and make some different sauce. So let's start with that.